Dozens of volunteers are helping to rebuild Calvary Chapel in Santa Barbara. Floodwaters from this month's storm damaged all the flooring and most of the walls. At least 50 volunteers a day show up to help repaint and put in new floors and drywall. The pastor says he's overwhelmed by the community's response.
I am overwhelmed by how fast it's all going. Every day it just seems like, oh no, how did we get that much done? It truly has felt miraculous.
Pastor Schneider says about a mile of drywall had to be put in. Sunday morning services are being held at the Arlington Theater. The pastor hopes to be back in the chapel on February 5th.